Yes, good morning students. How are you all? I hope you are good and fine. Fifth class, term 1, subject social. Now we will continue our lesson. Yes, our lesson is conquering distance. We will start this lesson in before class. Today we will explain about waterways. Yes, waterways. The earliest method people used for water transport was to float on logs and paddle with their hands. Then rafts were made. The next stop was to make the logs hollow so that they could float better and also carry loads. Now see in this year, in earliest year method, we use अपन ज़्यादा वाटर में भी ट्रांसपोर्ट करते थे बोल तो ओल्डन डेज में पुराने ज़माने में नाउ हल्लो 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 क्या करे फ्लड्स बनाए फिर अपन का लगेज वेयर वी विल पुट लगेज सो वन बाय वन स्लोली स्लोली शिप्स बने उसके बाद फ्लोट्स उसके बाद बोट्स वन स्टेप बाय स्टेप वी विल इम्प्रूव आवर we will carry loads also in this thing. Around 1000 BCE, the people of Crete longhand began using large boats for long sea voyages. These were steered by a number of oars arranged in rows, one after the other. The Chinese improved on them further and made much longer boats controlled by ropes and pulleys. In the earliest year, we will use what boats for long sea. Yes, we will use long sea for बोट्स देन अरेंज रो वाइज अपन ओल्डन डेज में क्या यूज़ करते थे बोट्स यूज़ करते थे वाटर में चलने के लिए वन बाय वन अपन ओनली वी विल सिट ना सो वन बाय वन वी विल improve our things where we put luggages and where we will sit so one by one the Chinas improved and them further and made much longer boats. We will improve our boats also. Their improved led to the opening of long distance trade routes. Goods were transported across ocean. In the 18th and early part of the 19th century, some nations started building networks of level waterways called canals. Yes, we will see the their importance of the opening of long distance in waterways. Now we will across the oceans also. In 18th century, we will use small boats, small things where we will sit and where we will put the luggages. Now this is our 19th century. We will use ships. We can call it canals. However, for sailing to Europe, people from Asia had to go around the southern tip of Africa. Then in 1869, the Suez Canal was opened. This was a turning point in world trade. This canal joined the joined Mediterranean Sea with the Red Sea. It was followed by Panama Canal in 1914, which connected the Atlantic Ocean with the Pacific Ocean. See, in olden days, 1869, Suez Canal will be open. Suez Canal will be open. Why the turning point of the world? That is the turning point of the world. We can see Red Sea. It can called Red Sea. 1969 में अपन what we will open Swiss Canal was opened. That is the turning point of trade, exchange the goods and services. This canal joined the Mediterranean Sea with the Red Sea. We can call it Red Sea. It was followed by Panama Canal. We can follow this Panama Canal in 1914, which connected the Atlantic Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. We can connect Atlantic Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. Now by the beginning of the 20th century, steam and oil-powered engines were began used to steer big ships. Ports grow around natural harbors or the mouth of a river. For large modern ships, however, special docks had to be built. In the now in this is our 20th century, we will use oil petroleum engine ships and boats. Slowly our generation will be increase, our things also increase. Ports grow around in our world and India also. Modern ships variety. See here in this we will see modern ships like we will In these ships, everything is there. Yes, in these modern ships, rooms, kitchens, and separate places will be there, and party halls also there. We will enjoy on that. Yes, our next today, goods are mostly carried by powerful diesel ships which move at great speeds. Ocean liners carry passengers, parcels, and mail. Now today's ships are carry long things like that, carry passengers also, parcels also, and mails also. Big ships called oil tankers carry oil trumps or ships which have no regular routes. They stop at any port from where cargo has to be picked up. Refrigerated cargo ships are used to transport food. See, now today's we will transport everything on water transport. Refrigerator, oil seats, and passengers, parcels, mails, everything we will transport on waterways. Sea roads have added international trade also. In sea roads also international trade also. India has three major ports. India has 13 major ports, that is Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Kashi, Marmango, and Vishakhapatnam are some well known ports. You should understand this topic. Next we will continue another class. Yes, today's your homework is, yes, your homework is India has 13 major ports. Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Kashi, Marmango, and Vishakhapatnam are some well known. This is homework one time. You should write homework in social notebook. Okay, thank you, students.